Welcome to Hiking Adventures with Mark Winfield. Our hike was on private property, but we had permission to visit there.
Okay, right now we are visiting Lucky Falls, and it is just off the Stamburn Road in Barscorner. We call it Lucky because we were on an adventure one day, Janice and I, checking out many things, and we heard about this falls, came back exploring, and thought eventually we were lucky to find it. So it was an easy name, Lucky Falls.
The hike starts with a walk through a typical Lunenburg County Christmas tree farm. Christmas trees are big business in our area. It takes 10 or 12 years to grow a Christmas tree to be 8 feet tall, and the trees are trimmed annually as they grow. It's late November and the harvesting for this year's crop is done. The harvested trees are bundled up and shipped far and wide, including overseas. The watercourse is just at the edge of the Christmas tree farm, but we don't know the name of this stream.
Well, right now we're in Stamburn, leaving the falls, and a few of our hikers are going on to New Germany, but further up this road, the Stamburn Road, there's a beautiful old home, and I'm told it was a stagecoach house. This road in Stamburn goes right through to East Dalhousie. So years ago, it was the old Annapolis Road that went through part of Dalhousie, and the Chester Basset house is what locals call it. His son now owns it. That was a stagecoach stop. So you can imagine there's many stories that could be told of that house.
After hearing Nancy's story, Patty and I couldn't resist seeking out the stagecoach stop and headed up Stamburn Road. That was a bit of a rough road, got tougher and tougher as time went on. Came across an abandoned sawmill. Forestry has been in decline in Nova Scotia in recent years, and this is a bit of a sign of the times. And not far up the road, we got to Chester Basset House, which is now all closed up, but certainly would have been a grand house in its day. It would be interesting to get the history on this, which we don't know. Stagecoaches apparently came here from the 1820s onward.
Long time. Been here 76 years.
Nancy had told us there was another waterfall further on down the road past the stagecoach house, and after 6 kilometers we eventually arrived at the waterfalls, which also does not have a name that we could find out. You never know what you're going to find when you head out hiking. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and please consider subscribing to my channel.